Hey guys, welcome to the Ellis Way TN. We are in the middle of the summer. It's very hot here. We haven't had very much rain, so we have to improvise, and this is how we water our garden when there's no rain. So what do you do?
I run down to the creek and fill up the 500 gallons of water, and I come back and change a few valves around and pump the water. Use the same pump I use to pump the water in to pump the water out.
Okay, what kind of motor is that? Like, what is that?
It's a 4.5 horse Subaru, I think. And then I filter it before it goes to the sprinkler, so it doesn't stop at the sprinkler wheel.
Where do you filter it at? Like in the middle of the pipe?
Right there before it comes out of the hoses.
Oh, get wet. Anything else you want to add? Where do you got your sprinklers hooked to up there?
Those are two post adapters.
Go on.
It's just inside of the two post. And my cord is getting a little too tall.
If you have any questions, just comment. We'll try to answer back or send us a message. This is what works for us. Our squash and zucchini have already died off, but okra is yet to come in. Tomatoes are there. They're just small, still in green. We started picking jalapenos and some bell peppers. So it's getting a little hot for the bell peppers too, but we're hoping some water will help